Irrational and rational fear. There is rational and irrational fear. The question is, at what point is it rational or irrational? We as adults and parents in the community need to realize when we hear these events on television, Sandy Hook, South Atlanta, Alabama, to name a few recently in the news, those are projected as irrational fears to our children if they're 600 miles away. They don't understand except what we project as adults and parents to them. So we need to be very concerned as in our community as adults to make sure we don't shake up our children. Fear is realistic. If you're in the community and something horrible happens, then you need to alert your children. But if it didn't happen in the community and you project that to your children, we're projecting irrational fear. And they only know the fear that we exhibit as adults. So just be sure that we keep it in mind. You know, danger. 5 and 6 year olds don't understand danger unless it happens to them. And we want to teach them how to behave and how to, not go out with strangers and not get into a car. But we don't want to project something that's on the news that causes panic in the community. So we need to learn to talk rationally to our children, rationally to them at school, to make them understand this is something that happened on the news. This isn't something that happened in your community. And if it did, then the counselors and psychologists will be there to help the parents and the community through the stress that children are going through, which is a rational stress due to rational fear. So, fear is an emotional response to danger that is real. Anxiety is a result of fear or can cause fear. And there are distinctions between the two concepts of reality, irrational and rational fear.